Hi, I'm Mark and you're in my workshop. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. In a recent video of mine, one of the viewers named Dennis noticed the mobile base on my drill press and he commented to say, could I give a closer look at it? That's what this is today. Obviously, I can't pick this thing up off the floor, so I'll move you in a little closer and get down to floor level myself. Welcome to my floor. This was pretty easy to make. The cast base already had 4 holes, 1 in each outside corner. Of course, my cat wants to be part of this. The cross arms are 3 by 1 inch hollow tube, which I capped the ends on. I drilled holes in there to match the holes in the base, and it's simply bolted on. The casters are swivel locking casters in the front, 3 inches in diameter, and in the back they're fixed casters. There's not much more to it than that. The cross piece in the back here is notched out to fit around the bottom of the post. And where I notched it out, I also capped those areas because I didn't want them open. It just would look unfinished then. The casters on the back are mounted, probably welded to these pads, and the pads are welded to the bottom side of the cross brace here. And it's been like this for 10 years. Has worked great, allows me to move it around easily and safely. Thanks for watching.